Welcome back, guys. So right now I've completed the edit we were trying to work on. So I completed it just by following the flow as I've explained it. So let's look at what we did so far. So this is the main video at the very end after I've edited, compiled, added all the sound design. Every ingredient we generated in this course is what I used to complete this video. But not to waste too much of our time. That's why I had to cut it short so you could get creative yourself. So let's play what we have right now. So I could play the final touch. Let's see.
Courage is the armor we wear against the unknown. But what happens when the deepest unknown is not the enemy waiting outside the gate, but the prejudice waiting inside the walls? The year is 1968. Captain Eva Rostova was not just the first woman assigned to the 7th Reconnaissance. She was a walking contradiction to every old guard expectation. She carried the weight of an entire generation's future on her shoulders. The training was brutal, but the silence, the cold shoulders, and the calculated undermining from her own comrades was the real attrition. Every successful drill was dismissed as a fluke. Every mistake was magnified into a proof that she didn't belong. Her courage wasn't just physical, it was the psychological fortitude to keep showing up. Then came the ambush, a blinding rainstorm. Visibility zero. The patrol was pinned down. Rostova, isolated from the rest, realized the radio was dead. They needed a runner right now, through fire, to alert the reserve unit 2 clicks away. Without a command, without a glance back, she moved. Her speed, her low crawl, her precise knowledge of the terrain, the very skills they doubted, became the unit's only lifeline. She wasn't running away from the enemy. She was running towards the reinforcement. She made it. The ambush was broken. Later, huddled under a tactical tarp, the skeptical sergeant didn't offer a compliment. He offered something far rarer. Rostova, you've earned your stripes, not with a document, but with mud and blood. You belong. Bravery in its highest form isn't just about destroying the enemy. It's about dismantling the barriers built by fear and doubt, both in the world and in the hearts of your own people. Captain Rostova fought the war and changed the army. That is the definition of legacy.
Clip right there after we've created that. So we did that using the Google AI Pro. We did the sound design, everything on Google. So in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to create more clips and how to go about using Google Flow and how to create consistent character. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.